If you're looking for a really fun game that the whole family can play or a really unique advent calendar, you need to get your hands on this. I just opened it and kind of skimmed it very quickly, and you have all of these envelopes, which are like clues that you need to solve. So basically, you're kind of like on a mission that is going to take you on Charlie's World Adventure. So, of course, you have the instructions, tells you what you need to do. You can either do it in one evening, and it says it'll take you about 2 to 3 hours to do, or you can open one envelope each day and kind of just do it like the advent calendar. So the first one they give you is a letter to kind of get you started, to give you the clue of what you're meant to be doing. And then in this letter, it's going to tell you which envelope you need to open. So when I scanned it, what kind of popped out to me is it's ended with good luck. You will need it. And see how luck is like underlined in bold. So my first thing is I was like, I wonder if any of these envelopes have anything like with luck on it. And I was skimming through and check this out. I saw that and I was like, I bet that's the first clue. So then you would open it and there should be a number 1 on it. If number 1 is not on there, don't bother reading it. Tuck it back in here and try and figure out what the next one would be. Really fun game. Definitely super unique, something I have never seen before. And yeah, really great to do by yourself, or honestly, I would get a group of friends together, your family. Really, really fun and awesome.